National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northern Collin County in north-central Texas, southeastern Grayson County in north-central Texas, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Melissa, or 8 miles north of McKinney, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and $50 size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Anna, Melissa, and Van Alstyne around 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include White Mound, Westminster, Cannon, Elmont, Weston, and Pilot Grove. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.